Come on. Come to mommy. Come on, Potrolita. Come on, you can do it. Come here. Bella. Isabella. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. Come here. Come here. Isabella. Look. Oh, did you want that? Come here. I know you can crawl. You can't fake it. Let's get you a little closer. Okay, go. Go. Go.
I'm not supposed to be doing this, but they were all trying to kill me. If it wasn't for you, I mean, I had to thank you. It's the way I was raised.
Yay, Bella! Yay! 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 Isabella. Bella, love you. Ah!